Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and welcome to the session. Today we are going to see 6th standard maths, the first chapter knowing our numbers. Already we have completed 4 exercises and the 5th exercise is how to simplify the given expression and the Roman numbers we are going to learn today, right? So what is simplification? Simplification usually we will use to simplify with the numbers like two numbers when they are adding in the addition of, that is 3 plus 2. So here they have given only one operation which is addition. So we can add 3 plus 2 is 5, right? If it is in subtraction, one more question, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Here they have given subtraction, right? But in this simplification, we are going to see all the 4 operations together, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So how to solve all the 4 operations or 3 or 2 operations are given in an expression, we are going to see now. So to solve that simplification, we are going to use this Bharatidhasanar operation, which is nothing but B is called the bracket. Here we used to see here na, this is common bracket. First we are going to solve whatever given in the bracket, this common bracket first we need to remove, right? And then there is one more bracket which is curly bracket. Then we want to remove this bracket and third bracket is square bracket. If the brackets are given like this, first we need to remove one by one this. Then only bracket of O stands for half. After removing one by one the brackets, then we are going to start with this operations which is D stands for division. In the expression when the division symbol is there, first we need to solve the division. Then we are going to solve multiplication, next to multiplication addition and finally we are going to subtract. Likewise, we are going to use this operations in the simplification of expressions, right? Let me see the sums now. How to simplify the given question? See, 35 minus 9 into 3 plus 25, right? So, I told you the Bharatidhasanar, right? B-O-D-M-A-S. In this no brackets are there, right? And then bracket of division. See, any divide symbol is there? No. Next to division what we are going to do? Multiplication, right? So, the multiplication step is the first step what we are going to do, which is 35 minus, what is 9 3s are? 9 3s are 27 plus 25. So, we have completed the multiplication. The next is, next to multiplication what we will need to solve? Addition. So, here the first step is 35 is a positive number and the addition of the number is plus 25 minus 27. So, the next step we are going to add this two numbers which is 35 plus 25. Add this 35 with 25. What is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes, very good. 0 and remaining is 1. Now, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Right? So, the answer is 60. So, we have completed the addition 60 minus 27. Finally, we are going to subtract this and we will get the answer. So, 60 minus 27. Subtract now 60 minus 27. 0 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract 0 minus 7? So, borrow from 6. 6 will become as 5 and the 0 will become as 10. Now, subtract 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7? 10 minus 7 is 3 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So, the answer is 33. So, is it clear how to simplify? In the expression here 3 operations are given, subtraction, multiplication and addition. So, step by step we want to solve this to get the answer. Is it clear? The next sum is 15 divided by 4 plus 1 minus 9 into 3 plus 7 into 4 plus 5. Already I told you, first we need to remove the bracket. Next, after removing the bracket only, we are going to start with the 4 operations, which is first division, then multiplication, then addition, finally subtraction. So first we are going to remove the bracket. What is given in the bracket here? 4 plus 1 and 4 plus 5. This is the first step. What we are going to do is, so the first step is 15 divided by, so 4 plus 1, what is 4 plus 1? 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 9 into 3 plus 7 into, again which is given in the bracket is 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 is what? 4 plus 5 is 9. Now we have removed the bracket. In this step, see, division, subtraction, multiplication, addition and multiplication. First, next what we are going to do? Division. After division only we are going to take multiplication symbol. So the next step we are going to solve this. So 15 divided by 5. In 5 table, how many times we can get 15? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So how many times we are getting? 3 times, right? So we are going to take 3 minus 9 into 3 plus 7 into 9. So first we have removed the bracket. Next bracket of division, D for division we have finished. And then next to division we are going to take multiplication. So here 9 into 3 and 7 into 9. So solve this 2 now. The next step is 3 minus, what is 9 threes are? 9 threes are 27 plus 7 into 9. What is 7 nines are? 7 nines are 63. Now after division and multiplication, the next is addition. So 3 plus 63 minus 27. So this step we are going to take addition. Add this 3 with 63. 63 after 64, 65, 66. If you add 3, the answer is 66 minus 27. Now subtract this 66 minus 27. 6 minus 7. Can you subtract 6 minus 7? It is not possible because 6 is smaller than 7. So get borrow from the next number, which is 6. If you are going to get borrow 1, this 6 will become 5 and this 6 will become 16. Now what is 16 minus 7? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 9. And 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes, very good. So what is the answer now? 39 is the answer. So you understood how to simplify the given expression, and using the brackets we will see the next example. See, 120 divided by, here see different types of brackets I have given. Already I told you, first common bracket and then curly bracket and then square bracket. First one by one we are going to remove the brackets. The first step what we are going to do? We are going to remove the common bracket. So the first step will be 120 divided by 18 minus 20 minus 3. Here 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is 4. So the next step, here the meaning of 3 bracket of 4 is 3 into 4. That is 3 4s are, we are going to multiply. 120 divided by 18 minus 20 minus 3 4s are 12. So we remove this common bracket. Next we are going to take this 20 minus 12 to remove this bracket. Now the next step will be 120 divided by 18 minus 120 minus 12. What is 20 minus 12? 20 minus 12 is 8. So We have solved this and we removed this curly bracket also. The next finally we are going to remove the square bracket, which is 18 minus 8. 120 divided by, what is 18 minus 8? 18 minus 8 is 10. Now the final is 120 divided by 10. Here 0 0 will get cancelled. So finally 12 by 1. 12 by 1 is nothing but we can write the answer as 12. Is it clear how to remove the brackets and how to use the different types of operation what is given in the expression? Is it clear, children? So simplification we have did, and next we are going to see the Roman numbers. See, Roman numbers we used to write in the day to day life, right? So Roman numbers, how the Roman numbers are created and who created this Roman numbers? Romans were developed the Roman numbers using this 7 symbols. See, for 1 there is a Roman number 1, and for 5 it is capital letter V, and for 10 it is X, 50 is L, and 100 represents C, 500 is D, and 1000 is M. So using these 7 symbols, they have the combination of these symbols only we used to write the numbers, right? So for 1 we know the Roman number is 1, and what about for 2, 3, 4 and remaining numbers else? So here there is some rules to write the Roman numbers. So what are all the rules? First we will see. Here no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. So we have seen number 1, right? So for 1 the Roman number is like this, and then for 2 how can we write? 2 times this 1 if we write, this is Roman number 2, and 3, for 3 also we can put 3 lines which gives 3 as the Roman number, right? And for 4, shall we write 4 lines for that 4 Roman number? No, because the rule is no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. So then how to write 4? See, here the symbols V, L, D are never repeated. This is also one of the rule. Here V is nothing but 5, L is 50 and D is 500. This symbols never to be repeated, only once it will be used. V, L and D. And 1, 2, 3 and 5 we have known. How to write 4, 6 and 7 we will see next. See, the next rule is when a smaller symbol is placed on the left side of the bigger symbol, a smaller symbol is placed left side of the bigger symbol, it is subtracted from it. So, to write the Roman number 4, 6 and 7, there is some rule. See, when a smaller symbol is placed left side of the bigger symbol, it is subtracted from it. For example, see, for 4, 5 minus 1, here V already we have known, V stands for 5. When this 1 is for 1, right? When this smaller symbol is placed left side of this bigger symbol, then it is subtracted. So, which is 5 minus 1 is 4. So, therefore, the Roman number for this 4 is 1V. Is it clear? So, the next is X stands for 10 and L stands for 50. Now, we are going to write the answer for 40. So, when the smaller symbol is placed to left side of your bigger symbol, it is subtracted, which is 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Therefore, the symbol Roman number for 40 is XL. Is it clear? And the one more thing is 1x, 1 for 1 and x for 10. So, it is on the left side of the bigger symbol, right? Then it is subtraction. 10 minus 1 is 9. Therefore, the Roman number for 9 is 1x. Is it clear? So, to get 4 and 9. So, when the smallest symbol is placed to the right side of the bigger number, it will be to be added. So, we will see the next rule. See, when a smaller symbol is placed to the right of your bigger symbol, it is added to it. So, V1, V is nothing but 5, and this 1 stands for 1. So, when the smaller symbol is placed right side of the bigger symbol, it is to add, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, the Roman number for 6 is V1, and here X stands for 10 and 1 V, already I told you V is 5 and 1 for 1. When it is placed in left side, it will be 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 1 V is nothing but 4. So, now 10 and 4. So, when the smaller number is placed right side of the bigger number, it is to be added. So, 10 plus 4 is 14. So, therefore, for 14 X 1 V we can write. So, next to 6, what will be the Roman number for 7? 5, 6, 7. And for 8, how can we write? V is 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times the symbol can be repeated, right? Not more than 3 times, we are not supposed to repeat the symbol. So, for 8, and you know how to write for 9. 9 is 1x. 10 minus 1 is 9, that is 9 is 1x and 10 is x. So, likewise we can write 11, 12, 13, for 14 is given. And one more example which is given here is L stands for 50 and x for 10 and one more x for 10. So, 50 plus 10 plus 10. 50 plus 10 is 60, 60 plus 10 is 70. Now, you have learned the rules of Roman numbers, how it is developed, right? Using this Roman numbers, shall we see the exercise sums now to solve? Here, write the Roman numerals for the numerals is given. We are going to write the Roman numbers for this numerals, that is 401. How to write 401? For 100, what is the symbol? For 100, it is C. So, 200 is, we can write 3 times, now 300, C, 100, 200 and 300. For 400, how to write 400? For 500, the symbol is D. So, when the smaller symbol is written on the left side of the bigger symbol, it will be subtracted like D. Left side, if I am going to take C, which is 500 minus 100 is 400. Is it clear? So, 401 is like 400 plus 1. So, for 400 the symbol is C, D, and for 1 the Roman number is 1. Is it clear how to write the numerals into Roman numerals? Now, the next is 43. So, 43 is 40 plus 3. How to write 40? 40 is X, L, because L is 50. So, X is written on the left side. So, it is subtraction. X stands for 10. So, 50 minus 10 is 40. The symbol of 40 is X, L. And for 3, 1, 2 and 3. 43. Is it clear? And the next one is 2363. So, for 2000, for 1000 what is the symbol? 1000 is M, capital M. So, 2000 in the sense we are going to take 2 times M, 1000, this is one more 1000, so 2000. And 300, so 300, what is the symbol for 300? 100, 200, 300, 2300. And 63, so 63 how to write? What is the symbol for 60? 50 plus 10 is 60, right? 50 is L, X, that is 50, X is 10, so 50 plus 10 is 60. So, 2363, 3 for 1, 2, 3. Is it clear how to write 2363? And next last one is 1055. So, 1000, for 1000 already I told you M. and 55. 50. What is the symbol for 50? 50 is L and 5 is V. So MLV 1055. Is it clear how to write the numerals in Roman numerals? The last we are going to see Roman numerals to numerals. Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numerals we are going to change. Now D, C, X is given and we are going to write in numerals, right? So what does D stands for? D is 500 plus, and what is C? The value of C is 100. And what is X? X value is 10. So 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100 is 600. Yes, 600 plus 10. 610. Is it clear how to write the Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numerals, right? See, M stands for 1000. Very good. And C for 100, right? How many C's are here? 100, 200, 300. So this 3 are 300 plus the next L for 50 and V for 5. So now 1000 plus 300 is, what is 1000 plus 300? 1300. 50 plus 5 is 55. 1355. Therefore the answer is 1355. Is it clear? Right. Tell me the answer for this. CX1. C stands for, what is the value of C here? C is 100 plus X stands for 10 and then plus 1. So 100 plus 10 is 110. 110 plus 1 is 111. Is it clear how to write the answer? And last one more is XL1V. Here X is 10, L is 50. When the smaller number is left side of the bigger number, we need to subtract, which is 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Very good. Then this is 1 and V stands for 5. Here also the smaller number is placed left side of the bigger symbol. So 5 minus 1, which is 1V is 4. So plus 4. Then 40 plus 4. 40 plus 4 is what? 44. Therefore, there is a numeral for XL1V is 44. Is it clear how to write the numerals to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to numerals? And so far we have learned simplification and using the Bodomos operation and then Roman numbers. So up to this we have completed our 1.5 exercise, children, and the first chapter have completed, and using the study material and question bank, practice well, use the self assessment question paper to evaluate yourself, children. Thank you.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் காலத்தை வணங்கி உணர்ந்து உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திருந்து செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக திகழ்வேன். அக மற்றும் புறத்தூய்மை கடைபிடித்து